Hello and welcome to Rich Miss Business. In this video I'm going to show you how to create a hidden folder on your desktop. In this folder you can hide anything at all. Nobody will see except you. So to do that we are going to create a usual folder and we'll click on the desktop. We'll right click, go to new and select folder. So a folder is created. Now you will notice that the folder needs to be named, so you hold down your alt and click 255 or type 255. Now the name of the folder disappears. You have a folder that is unnamed. That is what you want. Now we want to take the icon off, so we go to properties, then we go to customize, then we go to change icon. So we're going to go through these options and look for blank icon. This is not it. Let's scroll to the side and see. Okay, so there's an empty space there. Yes, so that is what the blank icon is. We select it and we say apply. Okay, nice. So there's nothing there unless I move the mouse pointer there. You can see there's no folder, but I can actually move the file into it. So I'm moving this file TT. Where is it? Okay, so I put TT in the hidden folder. Now if I open that hidden folder, which I can only find by hovering my mouse across it, I can see the TT file in. So all you have to do is to move it to a point or an area on your desktop where people will not usually look for a file like this or hidden folder, and you're good to go. All you have to do is to hover your mouse around it. Now don't forget to subscribe if you like this video, and hit the notification button, like the video as well, so that we can be motivated.